Yeah, you're welcome to my channel. This phone you are seeing is Nokia 6.2. What actually happened was that the owner of the phone put the phone in his pocket and also mistakenly put his keys in the pocket with the phone. Then when he removed the phone, he discovered that the screen is cracked. And before fixing this thing, please, I would like you to press on the subscribe button to show your boy some love for this channel to grow. First, we toast the back of the glass for it to be fixed. Then the next thing we do is we remove the back glass of the phone. At times the back used to be stiff, so at times you need to hit the back a little. After hitting it, then you try and remove the back glass. So if you try removing it at the top and it's not working, then you also try the down. The main thing is that you are able to get the angle which is soft. Then from there you are able to open the glass. Then the next thing, if you remove the glass, this is how it looks like. We have some 2 screws which is close to the fingerprints. We have to remove those screws because those screws is what is holding the fingerprints, and we also need to remove every other screw that is at the top of the board of the phone. As you are seeing it, we have to remove all the screws which is on the phone. Then the next thing is that there's a label that is at the one of the screws which the fingerprint is on. Then we'll open it. If it's open, then the next thing you have to disconnect both the battery, the screen connector and everything. Then the next thing is that you put the screen on the toaster, then you toast the screen. After toasting it, the screen will become soft for you to remove. Then the next thing we have to do after removing the battery, we remove the screen connector, which is the one I'm removing. As you can see, we have to remove the screen connector, then remove the old screen, that's the one that is cracked. You have to remove it. After removing it, this is how it looks like. Then the next thing you have to do is that we have to scratch the cracked glasses which might be at the edges. That's it. You remove every one of them before you can fix another screen. After removing it, then the next thing we have to do is this. We'll fix the new screen, then we connect the battery, then run the phone to see if it's working very fine. After testing it, then we have to disconnect everything back, disconnect the battery. Then the next thing we have to do, we remove the screen, then we add glue to the frame of the phone in which we are going to be fixing the new screen. You have to add glue to every part of the edges of the phone so that it can be able to hold the new screen very well. So we add it both at the top, the down, the left and the right. Then the next thing is to fix the screen. After fixing it, then we tighten all the screws which was removed from the phone. We have to put everything just the way it was removed. We have to put every single screw, because if you don't put it, the phone will not be okay. So you just have to tighten every screws that was removed and make sure you don't miss anyone. After tightening all the screws, then the next thing we have to do, we have to add a little glue at the back, then we close the back glass. Then after, when you are done, you on it, as you can see, this phone is working perfect. Every button on it is working. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click on the like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more of this kind of videos. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye.